In this video, we will guide you through all the features related to viewing and analyzing the results of your questionnaires. In the Results subsection of the Assessment section, you can view the results of all respondents who have completed a self-assessment questionnaire. Firstly, you can group and sort the data into sessions, as shown in the video Delivering a Questionnaire. This way, by entering the Results subsection, you will be able to view the test results based on the specific activities being carried out and within the specific sessions created during the questionnaire delivery. Each row corresponds to a test completed by a user. The information available for each row includes name of the session, if applicable, name of the completed questionnaire, date and time of completion, first and last name of the respondent, duration of questionnaire completion, very relevant for the reliability of the test, coverage index, a unique indicator that measures the degree of coverage of all assessment model evaluation elements, option to download detailed reports, option to delete the result. Finally, by clicking on the drop-down menu on the left at the beginning of each row, you can obtain a view of the aggregated data with all the individual scores related to each skill evaluated within the assessment.